To allow Google Drive to integrate with Google Chat, first go into Chat, then click on the New Chat button. Choose the Find Apps command. Click on the Add link next to Google Drive, then choose Chat to integrate this add-on. A new contact is added for Google Drive. Click on the Yes button to add all integrations with this add-on. A new notification has been received. A comment has been added to a document and you've been mentioned. You can respond to the comment from the chat screen. And you can mark the comment as resolved when complete. Another message has been received. This is a share request for a document that you own. Click on Share to share the document with the person that's requested it. Thank you for watching. Contact us at Ancoris to find out more about Google Workspace.